everybody, in today's video I am working on my bi-directional. I'm going to be working on a smaller canvas today because I'm trying something a little bit different, but still using the bi-directional technique that I've been working on. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Hey guys, so I am doing some experimenting today with my bi-directional pour. I'm working on a 9x12 canvas and I'm only going to be using 3 colors. The first one is white pearl from FolkArt. The second is from Soho and it is Payne's Gray. And the third one is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics Copper. Alright, so I am going to get my gloves on and go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I've got my cup here and I'm going to start with some of the white pearl in the bottom. And I'm going to go with I'll go with the copper next. All these paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, which is my normal pouring medium that I use. And I'm not adding any silicone to these paints. And what I'm going to do is I'm just actually going to put like 3 layers of each color. It is a smaller canvas, but I'm trying it a little bit different. So I'm just gonna, you know, I don't want to have too much paint, but I don't want to have not enough. So, all right, I'm gonna move these out of the way. All right, guys. So I normally start like in the middle and start with the pour, but this time I'm gonna start up at the top and I'm gonna work my way through the middle and see how that goes. All right, so here I go. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting down to show you my dried results, and I am really happy with the outcome. I got some awesome detail and the colors blended really nice, so I'm loving this technique. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. If you like it, comment below. And also, if you've tried it, I'd love to see the photos. Email me, and this will be in my gallery soon. But in the meantime, if you'd like to see some of my other pieces, click on the card above. And stay tuned for more videos from Tracie Reed Designs.